Hi, I'm Lisa. Let me share my morning routine as a work-at-home mom and housewife. I'm a freelance writer. I really love my job because there are many advantages. One of the biggest advantages is the flexibility in my work schedule. I have the freedom to choose when and where I work. Most importantly, I can spend more time with my family and friends, especially my two little kids. I start my morning quite early. I wake up at around 5 a.m. Early mornings are a great relaxation time for me. I can step out of the house to get some fresh air, and I have more time to get things done. After getting up, I take a few moments to brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I start preparing breakfast for my kids and my husband. Breakfast is an important meal, and preparing it doesn't have to be time-consuming. I usually cook something simple yet looks extravagant, such as a French croque madame sandwich. When I have breakfast ready, I wake up my children and my husband, so they can get dressed and eat breakfast. After we finish eating, I tidy up the dining table and wash the dishes. Then, I help my children get ready for school. I pack their bags with lunch boxes and books and make sure they have everything they need. My husband drives the kids to school. Once they leave and the house becomes quiet, I start my cleaning routine, beginning with the living room. Then I clean the kids' bedrooms and the bathroom. I scrub the sink, clean the mirror, and disinfect the toilet. After I do my chores, I go to the nearby grocery store. I need to buy some ingredients to cook for our dinner and tomorrow's breakfast. After shopping, I come back home and start my writing work. I plan what needs to be done. When my family comes back home, I have finished everything. My morning routine helps our day start smoothly. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Freelance. Freelance work involves working independently for various companies or clients at different times, rather than being permanently employed by one company. Example: Steve plans to start working freelance this year. Advantage. An advantage is a benefit or feature that makes something a preferable or better choice. Example: Having a car has the advantage of making travel more convenient. Flexibility. Flexibility refers to the ability to change or adapt to different situations, often in the context of work schedules or plans. Example: Her job offers a lot of flexibility, allowing her to work from home when needed. To get things done. This phrase means to complete tasks or finish work that needs to be done. Example: Making a to-do list helps me get things done more efficiently. Time-consuming. If something is time-consuming, it takes a lot of time to do or requires much time to complete. Example: Writing a book can be very time-consuming. Extravagant. Something extravagant is fancy, often appearing expensive or luxurious. Example: The wedding was extravagant, with beautiful decorations and lots of food. Tidy up. To tidy up means to put things back in their proper places to make everything neat. Example: After the birthday party, we had to tidy up the living room. Disinfect. Disinfecting means cleaning with chemicals to kill bacteria and prevent disease. Example: First, use some iodine to disinfect the wound. Chore. A chore is a small regular task, particularly one related to maintaining cleanliness and order in a house. Example: I'll go shopping when I've done my chores. Grocery store. A grocery store is a retail establishment that sells food and small household items. Example: You should be able to get these ingredients at any grocery store.